I'm John Champion, alongside me is Jim Beglin, and we're enjoying the atmosphere inside the unique stadium that is Wembley.
Hi John, it's brilliant to be here with this fantastic atmosphere. I think we're in for a treat.
Now let's see how both these teams will line up. Anything you want to comment on before we start, Jim?
It'll be interesting to see how much of the ball their key players will see.
And we're now underway. Pity. He wants to get a cross in from here. Here's a cross, and the cross dealt with. It's on for him. He plays it through. Now he's ready for a shot. Lovely ball through, and he makes absolutely no mistake. It's 1-0. Super teamwork there.
It's the kind of move defences hate to deal with. That through ball just took them all out of play. They've gone ahead so early in the game. Oh look, the first goal can have a big effect on any game, but it has to be backed up with the right attitude. Don't ease off now, going at a second.
Easy pickings, really. Looking to thread it through. And now drives it in. Michu. Crosses towards the centre, and it's hoofed away.
Oh look, they've got to show cooler heads. By giving it away, they're just inviting more danger.
Bad challenge there, free kick given.
From the first free kick in any game, you want to set the right tone for what follows, and I just wonder if they've got something up their sleeve here.
He misses, only narrowly though.
Oh listen, to come that close is a really, really good attempt, and judging by the crowd's reaction, they thought he'd done enough too.
Midway through this first half, and play has settled into a nice pattern. An early ball in, and it's the keeper on the receiving end of the cross.
That was just asking too much of his teammates by playing it in so early.
Casado. And these players from both sides still battling for the right to play their football. Lead is narrow, probably deserved. They seek an equaliser prior to half-time. Out from the breast pocket comes a yellow card from the referee. Here's a ball in. Nichu. Can he now find a finish? Slides it through. He's latched onto it. It's through. Carried away. It was a good ball in.
Oh, he can't be happy missing that after being put clean through. That's about as good a chance as you can get.
And he's done well to get his head on that. He scores! 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. He's always been a really strong header of a football.
Well, there was only going to be one player getting to that because he attacked it with so much aggression and commitment. Tremendous play.
The whistle goes to signify half-time.
Well, they've got that decision to make now, don't they? You know, half-time, they're in a good position, but will they look for more in the second half, or will they decide to just sit back and settle for defending this lead?
They lead by 2 goals to nil at this point.